Introducing the Lisle 88800 Radiator Genie Pro. Features interchangeable heavy-duty cleaning wands for radiators and other hard-to-reach places. Cleans where nothing else can with water or air. Allows more time running your machines with less downtime. The Radiator Genie Pro is so versatile it can be used on a variety of machines that operate in dirty outdoor environments. Extends the life of your equipment by keeping them clean and running cool. Interchangeable 17 and 43-inch long wands with inner reinforced ribs for strength. Notches on the end of the wand securely lock the tip angle in 90-degree increments for hard-to-reach spots. Patented fan head increases pressure in working with. Special sized half-inch diameter tube to access confined areas. All metal handle and trigger can be hooked for always-on feature to reduce hand fatigue. Two-piece air fitting includes M-style plug, or it can be changed to any style plug. Or it can be removed for use with a standard garden hose. The Lisle 88800 Radiator Genie Pro.